Established in 2004, OME Technology is dedicated to the design and manufacture of linear motion components. Quality and sustainability are our business. Refined products, service-oriented manufacturing, and service innovation are our promises. Committed to innovation, we are highly invested in research and development every year. At OME Technology, our competitiveness comes from our team of innovative R&D talents. 100% self-inspection during manufacturing and prior to shipping for stringent quality control. Quality, reliability, and trust are our core values. OME's new factory with cutting-edge IT and OT will elevate efficiency and quality even further. The spirit of innovative runs in every OME team member. Their creativity, knowledge, and experience are our greatest resources. Professionalism, craftsmanship, the endless pursuit of perfection. These are the reasons why internationally renowned manufacturers choose OME. Our mission is to empower customers with the best quality products and raise their competitive advantage. OME Technology makes human life exquisite. We push innovations in linear motion components,